Thank you for buying this 15773 6-liter cereal dispenser from Fixture Displays. Your purchase comes in 2 sets, so you have 2 of these dispensers and 2 brackets along with hardware. This is a 6-liter capacity for a little shy of 2 gallons. The height is 18 inches tall, and the width is 16.7 inches tall. And the thickness, or left to right, of this unit is about 4 inches. We're going to demonstrate quickly how to mount the bracket into a drywall. The sample board is wood, but we're really trying to demonstrate how to fasten this to a drywall. So you want to drill 4 holes following the hole pattern, and then hammer in 4 plastic anchors. If you have any excess, use a knife to trim it off flat. The orientation of this video is left to right. In reality, it should be vertical. We're going to demonstrate shortly by turning this correct orientation. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. In addition to the 6-liter or 2-gallon model, we also have 10 and 13-liter, which is similar, close to 3 and 5-gallon models. These dispensers are made from polycarbonate. It's very durable, and the chamber is top open. There's a divider, creates a separate chamber for display purpose. I encourage you to browse Fixture Displays for other products and services we have for home and business use. Another line of products has a part number 16928. Features a bigger body, a fatter body, but actually smaller in capacity. If you are looking for different models, feel free to contact us. We typically can order them for you, take a little bit of time, but it can be done. There are 3 speed settings: low, medium, and high, and this is how you would adjust. What we just demonstrated is the low setting, essentially pushing back, and this will be the middle setting, medium speed. The adjustment is fairly intuitive. You push that, and then you move the lever and position that in a forward position for the high setting. Again, in addition to email us, you can text message us 630-296-4190. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, subscribe, like us, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.